We're looking at some chemical equations here and thinking about how the different quantities of reactants can affect the rate of production of products, and we're really looking at the term limiting reactants. So in this example, we've got sulfuric acid plus copper carbonate ending up making salt, which is copper sulfate, water and carbon dioxide. Now in these two examples, we've got different amounts of each. So here we've got a lot of acid and a tiny bit of copper carbonate. Here we've got not much acid and loads of copper carbonate. And what we're interested in is what is the limiting reactant. So the limiting reactant is the one that there's essentially not enough of to make the whole reaction happen. Here there's not much copper carbonate, so it will react a bit. You can see it's producing carbon dioxide bubbles, but in the end it's going to run out. And while we've got some copper sulfate here, you're still going to have some acid left in that beaker. So it's the limiting reactant here is all used up, and it has limited essentially the amount of each of these products we're going to get. If we added more in, we could get more of these out because there's still acid left. In the other example, we've got not enough acid and loads of copper carbonate, then you've got some lumps of it still left in the bottom. Now there's no acid left, but there's still copper carbonate still to react. So limiting reactant is the one that there's not enough of, it's all used up at the end of the reaction, and it essentially limits the production of the products. Thanks for watching.